Alright, today I'm gonna be covering. I was gonna talk about like the three biggest reasons like why fumble girls or why guys fumble girls. I kind of want to tweak it real quick though, so I'm gonna go over the three things I went over in my TikTok video today, and then I'm gonna add on top of it. We're gonna have a bonus. One, what you aren't interesting. Two is there's better options, and three, what she wasn't interested in the first place. One was you aren't interested, and I said for one, for you aren't interesting is not necessarily your fault. Like just because you're not interesting, it doesn't mean that it's not your fault. It just means that y'all may not have common interests, right? You could meet a girl and she may like anime and you may not, and vice versa. That just means that that's just not your person. However, though, although that may not be your person, that don't mean that you can't learn. So you can accept the fact that y'all are two different people and have two different interests, or you can become a person like me and learn about things that you're not interested in, learn about things that you don't know about, and get her to talk about the things that she is interested in and learn about the things that she's interested in while also learning about her. Now, in the process of that, you want to learn why she's interested in the things that she's interested in, and also how she got interested in them. That's just going to get her to talk. And people are interested in you when you are interested in them. And that's where that curiosity factor comes in, where they're curious about you. Because if they're doing all the talking, it's like, well, they don't know shit about you because they're doing all the talking. And at some point, they're going to ask you. And if they don't, maybe that's not a person that you want to be with. I don't know what your boundaries are and what you like. However, that could be what you like. That's number one. Number two is there's better options. What do I mean by there's better options? Now, I ain't gonna cap. Like, girls are girls. Like, niggas is gonna come to girls. They're gonna approach girls, and girls are gonna have their options if they want to. And I know we may not use the word options, but they may have their options open. We'll say that they may have their options open. They may talk to multiple different guys. They are finding what's best for them. And you may not be what's best for them. They may have a guy that they're talking to that fills every box or checks every box. There's a guy that makes them feel the way they want to feel. There's a guy that does what they want to do. And that may not 100% be your fault. However, like I said, I feel like I'm always the best option. Why? Because I know how to adapt. And the example I gave in my video was, you could have a girl that likes words of affirmation, and you can have a girl that likes acts of service. For the girls of affirmation, you can write her a letter about how you feel about her and why you like her and things of that nature. And then for the girls of acts of service, you can just do something thoughtful for her and it will work out for her, and they'll both be satisfied. However, it's not like you may be a physical touch type of nigga. You got to get out yourself. You got to become a little selfless so that way you can make these girls feel good. Feel like, okay, I like being around him because he does what I want, or he makes me feel how I want to feel. And it's called adapting. And the only way you can find this thing is if you talk to these girls and actually listen to what they want in a man. And they're going to tell you. And most guys will tell you, don't ask a fish how to fish. That's dumb as shit, because every girl's not the same. You got to listen to who you're dealing with so you can treat them how you want to be treated. Because if you don't treat them how they want to be treated, a shark like me.
I'm hopeful. Yes, I am hopeful for today.
A shark like how I used to be will hop on that. And nigga that watch me, he gonna lock in. He gonna listen to a girl, find out what she like, what her love language is, and treat her that way. Because then it's like, you the best option. She like talking to you because you do everything she want to do. You talk to her how she want to be talked to. You treat her how she want to be treated. You do the things that she want to do. And it's not like a hassle for you, because if you like this girl, you're going to do what you need to do. And if you do your job, she going to do hers, in my opinion. Like, most niggas not going to tell you that. Most of these dating coaches, they're going to be like, no, she got to do this, do move. If you do your job, she going to follow suit. And if she don't follow suit, then that's when you like her. But as a man, you should be leading. You feel me? So that's the second reason a girl would lose interest. Now, three. What lines would you use to pop on Hinge? I don't be on dating apps, but if I was on dating apps, I would go. I would use whatever I can find on their profile to start conversation. All I'm doing is looking for an icebreaker. I wish I had an example, but I don't have an example. But I'm looking at their profile, and I'm gonna see if there's something there that I can break the ice with, especially if we match. If we don't match, the number one rule is choose a girl who chooses you. If there's no girl that's matching with you, don't even start a conversation with her. You can like her, but if she don't like back, or I don't even know how Hinge works, but if she don't like back, there's no need for you to chase a girl that don't like you, because you're already in a position where you suck. Like, she's just not interested already. There's a guy that she already likes. You got to find a girl that already likes you. And if you don't like the girl that likes you, you have some more to do in your life. Simple as that. You got to upgrade your life, get more money, upgrade your fashion, upgrade your confidence, upgrade your self-value, whatever. Like, the girls that like you how you are right now is just a reflection of really what you can attract. And if you don't like what you're attracting, you got to do more for yourself. Simple as that. They ain't not saying really to move for real. It's best to get all the in-person experience you can, but that's just me. That's how I met my girlfriend. That's how I met you in person. Is that case? How you meet her? I met her at a event in person. Put her in the camera and ask she got friends in NYC. You got friends in New York? Actually, don't they live in New York? If I'm gonna be matchmaker, I'm a matchmaker.
How old are they?
He like 20. B-Sax, we gonna get you right, brother. We get two man. We get two man. She live where I live at.
Let me see what's up.
He gonna make her feel good. He's gonna do his job. Not no lengthy shit. B-Sax, I got you, bro. Suegoo, where you from? I'm from Maryland. Stretch? You gonna make me stretch? Why you making me stretch? Oh yeah, I like this. Go stretch for me, big boy. You wow. For the Tyler concert, maybe a party or something?
Your legs are not straight.
They don't gotta be. I'm
Yes,
stretching.
that's the point.
I'm stretching my hamstring. B-Sax, you like, oh! Pause? What y'all pausing for? What I do? Gotta let us see her, man. No, my girl, she don't want to get on camera. She got her bonnet on and all that. I don't care if she get on camera. It's on her, though. Happy wife, happy life, you know?
They want to see my toes.
You want to see her toes? They probably gonna be like, yes, but they weird ass. It's her hand, chat. My little chocolate drop. Show them nails. Who paid for them?
Not you, nigga.
Never understood niggas that like feet. I like a girl that keep her feet done. Didn't I tell you that? That shit pisses me off if it ain't not. How do I get better at feeling the silence awkward? Stop being awkward yourself. Babe, do we have awkwardness? We just when it's silent, we do our own thing, right? You on your phone, I'm on my shit, right? Simple as that. Use your girl feet for pics. You wanna use your feet for some money?
My own time.
You got some cute feet. Little side hustle glitch. Vaughn better than me. I'm sucking toes right then and there. She won't even let me put it in my mouth. Pause. She kicked me. TikTok. If you want to keep being on here, we about to be on Twitch. Twitch is Suegoo_. I would say it's in my bio, but I don't think it is. But I'm on Twitch right now, so come check in. Suegoo_. Find it if you really want it. If you got questions, you can ask them there.